In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms on Wix Studio. Creating forms can be essential for collecting valuable data from your website visitors, whether you're managing customer inquiries, signing up for newsletters, or gathering feedback. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to create your own customized forms with ease. Once you're in your Wix home dashboard, focus your attention on the left sidebar. This area houses various options that help you manage different aspects of your website. Here, you'll find a section labeled Customers and Leads. By clicking on it, you will see a menu drop down. This is where you'll need to select the Forms and Submissions option. After clicking, you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage existing forms or start fresh. Look for the Create Form button. Clicking this will redirect you to a pristine form canvas where you can get started on creating your custom form. At this point, you'll be viewing an empty form, ready for your specific input. Now, it's time to set up the details you want for your form. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice categories to choose from, such as contacts and general information. Depending on what you want to collect from your users, click on the fields under these categories that you want to add to your form. This might include fields like name, email, phone number, or any other information relevant to your needs. As you add fields, keeping an eye on the overall layout can be helpful. At the top, you'll see an option to preview your form. By clicking on Preview, you can get a sense of what your audience will see and ensure everything looks just right before going live. For those who want to dive deeper into customization, there are settings available for more configurations. These settings allow you to tweak options to suit specific requirements, like changing form behaviors, adding custom messaging, and more. Spend a little time exploring these to ensure your form functions exactly as you need it to. Another handy feature located at the top of your workspace is the Submissions option. By clicking here, you'll be able to view all the submissions and responses collected through your form. This is an excellent tool for keeping track of the data and interactions gathered from your website visitors. Once you've customized your form to your satisfaction and double-checked everything via Preview, it's time to save your work. Head over to the top right corner and click Save. This ensures that all your edits and configurations are securely stored. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form on Wix Studio, ready to gather valuable data from your visitors. Now, as you continue to build and refine your website, you can efficiently use forms to connect with your audience and meet your business goals. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!